Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this nail look. If you want to see how I achieved this, then please continue to watch. I'm first going to start off with buffing the surface of my nail beds. This is going to help with adhesion when it comes to the gel extension adhesive. Next, to remove all of the dust from my nails, I will be spraying some 70% isopropyl alcohol to a lint-free wipe and just wiping down the nails, making sure I get back towards the cuticle, just ensuring I've removed all of the nail dust. You guys already know this is my favorite gel for soft tips. It's by Creations. I still don't have a link for this yet, and I'm so sorry. I'm still looking to see if I'm able to find this anywhere for you guys. I did pick this up at a nail supply for professionals, and I'm not sure if they have one everywhere, but if you're able to find it in your area, please make sure you get at least 2 of the bottles. They're so good. Here I'm doing my regular routine of applying the gel adhesive inside of the nail, and then I just scoop a little bit of additional glue at the base of the nail. When I apply the nail tips, I like to press them back towards the cuticle and allow that glue to flow forward. And here I'm just flash curing it for 10 to 15 seconds. I will be repeating that same process for the rest of the nails. After that, I'm just taking a nail file and really cleaning up the shape of the nails. And then I go in with a nail buffer to remove all shine from the nail tips, ensuring that I smooth all of the edges as well as the free edge of the nail. I like to go in again with more alcohol and remove the dust off of the nails once more. I am skipping a base coat. In most cases, I don't use a base coat for my gel polishes, especially the D&D brand because of the opacity, but I still recommend using a base coat. The gel polish I'm using is Share in the City by D&D. It's absolutely one of my favorite brands of gel polish to use, and it's just a really nice natural tone. I like to wear this by itself or when I'm doing a French tip or an ombre, so this ombre chrome look is perfect with this color as a base. I will only be applying one coat of this gel polish as well. Once I'm done with application of my gel polish, I will go ahead and cure that in my big lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to go in with a very thin coat of my top coat. And I'm not taking this all the way up the nail. I will just be taking it about 2/3 up the nail going towards the cuticle. So we're going to start at the tip and then work our way all the way back, but again, we're not going all the way back to the cuticle. I really don't need to go up this far, but it's just for me to have a little bit more room to really create that ombre effect with the chrome powder. After applying the top coat where we need it to be, I'm just curing the nails for 30 seconds so that they still have a bit of stickiness to them. And here I'm going in with my chrome powder. This again is a very 3D reflective chrome powder I got from Born Pretty a long time ago. And I just will be applying that with a doe foot applicator. And you'll see that I like to start with one finger at a time and slowly like to build that powder up from the tip and then blend it towards the top of the nail. Now you'll see I'm going in with a very small amount of product starting off. One, because we don't want to waste product, but two, because this stuff really spreads and it has a lot of glitter in it, so you don't want to be working with too much glitter flying all over the place. So just take your time, really rub it in very, very good, you guys. Rub it all the way in, starting at the tip, making sure that everything is covered, and then work your way up. I like to be really opaque down to the smile line of your natural nail, I guess you would say, and then from there I'll just kind of feather out any additional product. This is what the nails are looking like with all of the chrome effect applied, and I'm just using a little brush to dust away any additional chrome powder that I have left behind. And then I'm going back in with that same top coat, and I'm just going to apply a generous amount to the nails. Not too thick so it's running, but definitely a generous amount so that we make sure everything is nice and smooth. After applying the top coat and making sure I clean up any gel polish that may have gotten on the skin, I will go ahead and cure the nails again for 60 seconds. This right here is going to be the final look. I hope you guys truly enjoyed today's video. It was just a very nice and simple way to do something and kind of change up your normal nails. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.